All right, welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're going to take a really close look at a product called Vigortrix. We're going to dig into the claims, the user stories, and what it's all about, pulling everything we discussed directly from the official source material. So to really get a feel for what this is all about, let's start with a story that gets right to the heart of it. This is from John Miller in Austin, and wow, it really paints a picture of the high stakes involved in the challenge this product is designed to tackle. You know, the source material really emphasizes that this isn't just some small, isolated problem. It's something that can ripple out and affect a person's confidence and even the very foundation of their relationships. It's a sensitive subject, for sure, but one that a lot of people can relate to. So, does it go beyond the bedroom? Well, according to the stories people are sharing, the answer is a huge yes. The fallout can be pretty profound, shaking self-esteem, causing a ton of frustration. It really becomes more than just a physical thing. It's about a deep loss of confidence and connection. All right, let's get into what might be the most powerful part of all this, the real stories from actual users. These are the supposed transformations people have experienced. Now, this is really interesting because it's not just from the guy's point of view. Here, we get to see the impact from his partner's perspective. Sarah from Denver is saying that the change didn't just help her husband, it brought them closer together and really helped heal their relationship. And then there's Mark Johnson's story. This one is all about getting that feeling of control back. He mentions that at 54, these issues really did a number on his confidence, but he gives the product the credit for turning things around for him. And check this out. This last story from David in Seattle really shows that the benefits people are talking about can go way beyond just the main issue. He's pointing to a whole list of positive changes, more energy, confidence back, and he even lost a few pounds. So you take all these individual stories and what do you get? A pretty powerful result. According to the source, Vigortrix has an amazing 4.9-star average rating from customers. That's really high. Okay, so what exactly is Vigortrix, the product at the heart of all these stories? Let's break down what the official source tells us about how it's made and what's in it. So looking at the key features, it's pretty clear they're trying to build trust. They talk about it being based on modern science, using a blend of natural plant ingredients and minerals, and this is a big one. It's made in the USA and an FDA-registered and GMP-certified facility. For you, that just means it's made under really strict quality standards, which is always good to see. Okay, so how is this supposed to work? Well, the company is pretty upfront that this isn't some kind of magic overnight fix. Instead, they lay out a really clear 3-stage process for the results you can expect over time. And this whole step-by-step thing, it's really about setting realistic expectations, right? First, you start feeling better in general, more energy, clearer thinking, sleeping better. Then you move into the direct performance improvements. And finally, stage 3, that's after about 3 months, is all about locking in those gains for the long haul. All right, now let's talk about the part you're probably wondering about, the purchasing options and, more importantly, the guarantees that come with them. So you can see the pricing structure here is pretty straightforward. The more you buy, the more you save. A single bottle is $89, but that price drops all the way down to just $49 a bottle when you grab this 6-bottle package. Plus, that one comes with free shipping in the US. And just to put those savings into perspective, we're not talking about a few bucks here. With that big 6-bottle package, you're looking at a total savings of $780. It's no wonder the website says that's the one 96% of customers go for. Now, if you're feeling a little hesitant about all this next number is probably the most important one to pay attention to. 60. That's how many days you have for their money-back guarantee. And they really drive this point home. It's presented as a totally risk-free chance to try it out. The quote says it all. No questions asked. That means you can use it for 2 whole months. And if you're not happy for literally any reason, you can get a full refund. Okay, so we've looked at the stories, what's in the product, and that risk-free guarantee. It sounds like a pretty compelling case, but there is one last really important detail you need to know about how to get it safely. And the source is super clear about this. To make sure you're getting the real, authentic product and to actually get those discounts we just talked about, you have to buy it directly from their official website. So if you're ready to learn more and see if it's right for you, the link to that official page is right down in the description below. Go ahead and check it out for yourself.